Let's take a look at how to remove and install the 1240 print module. It's actually quite simple. All we need to do is remove the screws from this fixing block. No, these 6 screws also need to be removed. Alright, once we've finished removing all the screws, we can then pull it out. After that's done, there's a high voltage wire here. I haven't mentioned the high voltage wire yet. There's a screw here for the high voltage wire. We just need to remove this screw as well. Then we can take out the discharge module, and for installation, just follow the reverse steps to put it back in. Like with this kind of high voltage wire, once the hook wire screw is installed properly, we move on to the recovery tank. Insert the metal tube into this hole, aligning it properly. We need to press it downwards. Make sure that the washer inside doesn't come out and isn't exposed outside. In this case, we can then install the screw. There are 6 screws all together. The nozzle fixing block. Alright, we've also finished installing the discharge module. Let's check everything. Make sure to take a look. As long as the washer inside isn't exposed to the outside, that's fine.